On today's episode of Let's Talk Drones, we are unboxing the DJI Mini 4 Pro. What's up? It's Chris, the Drone Geek, and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Drones. Let's Talk Drones is brought to you by The Droning Company, the #1 online resource for commercial remote pilots based in the United States. Make sure you check them out online at thedroningcompany.com and across all major social media platforms. I'm not going to do too much of an intro here today. Let's just get right into it. Let's unbox the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Okay, so here we are with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I just got this in the mail today, so I'm really excited to break open this box and see what we've got inside. I did order the Fly More Combo Plus. That comes with the DJI RC2. It also comes with 3 of the Battery Plus products. So what that means is I'm gonna get more flight time out of my batteries with the Mini 4 Pro. However, it also puts the drone over 250 grams. So I can't actually fly this with the sub 250 gram rules. If I wanna do that, I'm gonna have to order batteries that are just standard to go with the DJI Mini 4, which is actually what I've done, so that when I don't wanna have to jump through all the hoops that you have to jump through sometimes when flying a larger or heavier drone, I can just go ahead and pop the standard batteries in and we're flying sub 250. Enough talk, let's break into this thing and see what we've got. So I'm experimenting with this video with a GoPro head cam mount. So if the footage is a little bit shaky, I apologize. Just wanted to see how this would go. I'm working on getting like a mounting system set up, and actually the real answer to this problem is going to be getting my office space that I've talked about here on the channel before, but we don't have any clue as to when that will be official, so I'm not gonna bank on it. We gotta figure something out in the meantime. So go ahead and take that strip, that tape off at the top, open up the box. Ooh, a little slippery. Okay, box is empty. So we've got a really nice little carrying case here to go with the Mini 4 Pro. Really excited to see how this all lays out. I mean, I've seen the DJI products a million times before, so you sort of have an understanding of what goes where and where they might be stashed and stuff. I think that pocket was open to begin. No, it wasn't. Open that back up. Is there anything in there? Nope, nothing in there. Looks like everything might be in the main pocket, yeah. Okay, so we do have some stuff in this pouch here. Go ahead and open that up. This is the usual suspects, I'm sure. Yeah, we've got extra propellers there. We've got some charging cables there. Let's see. Oh, this looks like a screwdriver tool for the propellers. And then of course you've got all of your literature here for the Mini 4 Pro. Go ahead and set that aside. Set our scissors aside. Now let's break into this portion. So we've got our battery charging hub that we get with the Fly More combo. Open that up, dump that out. And these batteries are a little bit larger than Mini batteries in the past. Now, the last Mini that I owned was the DJI Mini 2. I did skip the Mini 3, not for any particular reason other than I just didn't have any need for it. I've since lost my Mini 2, so it was time to get a new Mini drone for quick shooting purposes and you know, just flying as a hobbyist without all the hassle of flying a sub 250 or an over 250 gram drone. So again, the batteries sort of null and void that, but we're gonna take care of that by getting some new batteries. But there's our battery charging hub with our 2 additional batteries. Here is the DJI RC2. Oh, tape on this bag is strong. There we go, the adhesive. Now, we had experience flying with this controller with the DJI Air 3 when we did our review of that. Really like the feel of this controller. Again, the only critique I have is I wish that the screen was on top of the controller rather than at the bottom. But overall, super bright screen and really easy product to use. So excited to get that back in my hands. We'll move that trash over there. And I think, last but not least, is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So we'll put that there. We'll get this bag open. You know, it feels larger, and it is slightly larger footprint-wise than the Mini 2 and the Mavic Mini, but it's still pretty compact. Let's go ahead and break this guy open, see what we look like all unfolded. So we'll put our Okay, so it looks like we have to fold these forward first, and then we'll fold these back second. That's perfect. Yeah, that's definitely a larger drone than past mini drones from DJI. So definitely something a little bit different here. It is still very compact and lightweight. I'm actually surprised at how light the weight is. I'm assuming that because we only had 2 batteries in the charging hub initially. Yeah, there's our 3rd and final battery. Yeah, it is super lightweight even with the battery installed. Go ahead and take the gimbal guard off. And yeah, we have our articulating camera gimbals mount here. Got some stickers I need to take off. I'll do that when we get this off camera rather than try to balance the head cam with taking all of these little tiny stickers off in these fine places. Really excited to get this out in the air because, like I said, it's super small and compact. I've only seen good things from other YouTubers on the Mini 4 Pro. Billy Kyle, Original Dobo, Ken Herron. There's been a lot of people that have been talking about the Mini 4 Pro. Some of them have even been reviewing it, and the reviews that I have seen have been largely very, very good. So we'll go ahead, we'll wrap this video up. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up icon down below. It helps me out a lot. It helps get this video out into the algorithm to more viewers like yourself. If you really, really like this video and you love drone content made by drones, about drones, and for drone pilots, this is the channel for you, my friend. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit the bell icon too. It'll give you a notification every time I post a new video. Until next time, I'm Chris. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. We're gonna have lots more review videos for this guy coming in the very near future, and we're out of here. See ya.
Yo, what you say? Steady screaming, YOLO, rockin' polo, we the fight. Everybody frontin' like they so